Well, hello, hello, hello. I'm back with another mail call. This, people, is my monthly Spellbinders kit. They still don't have it right. I don't know what's got. I gotta go in and edit everything again and unsubscribe from one and resubscribe to the other, because what I really want, you know me, I'm an I want it all kind of girl. But I think I'm still at not at the Deluxe Kaboodle, but at the level down below where I used to be. So, which kind of worked out almost this month, although I think I'm going to go and get the wax seal if I can still snag it. Because I think I really like, I can't remember now what I was that I didn't get that I wanted. So we're going to take a look at that. But meanwhile, let's share what I did get, because it was a cool month. They're always a cool month. So we have all kinds of goodie jar. I did get the gut, so let me see what I did. Maybe I did get everything. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. Don't ask her. Let's not even go there, people. All right. So we're gonna start at the top by dropping things. So we have the spring stencil backgrounds, and these, look how cool these are. So they tend to be layering. This time it's just they're just giving us 4 different stencil backgrounds, and they're all this one. This one I'm absolutely in love with. I think this way is up. But I don't know why my eyes want to make this up. Maybe they printed this upside down. Ah, who knows? But I'm excited about these. Let's open it up. Let's take a peek after I close it. Can I slice this up and not? Let's see. Let's look at my skill. Yes, she's crazy. But, you know, that's old news, people. I'm just going to trim it from here, from the get-go. Did good. And that way, I did trim off. Look, I still took a piece of the paper off. Oh, wow. It's just, as long as it's not the stencil itself. Hello. But I did want to see, oh, and we have a circle we have a circle. So we have a mask. Oh, yeah, it's to that. It's the mask, that one. But I think you can mask any. Ooh. But look at that. Look how pretty that is. You know what? Let me get a piece of colored paper here. Look, a nice piece of red. It's going to be, uh-oh, I'm being invaded by a husband or a cat. It sounds like a husband. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, the husband has gone off to bed. That was the only reason he was just coming to say goodnight. And so we have here, I don't know what kind of a flower it is. I almost want to say it's a poppy, but maybe not. If anybody can think of it, by all means, let me know. But very, very, very cool background. And let's see what else we got here. So put this one down, and we'll put, this is the one that's like, oh my goodness. I'm fascinated, absolutely fascinated with this one. This one is going to be so, so cool. I have no clue what I'm going to do with it, but it's just, oof. I just love it. I don't know what to say. And for me to be a loss of words, you know how that is. It's like, oh my gosh, she stammers. What do you mean she has nothing to say? All right, so, and we have this one, and and they gave us the circle to mask whichever way. I mean, what do we want to do with it? And this is really pretty as well. So I really like it. And then last but not least, we have this that can be done as a gatefold, or I don't know. But it's very good, and they're not the same. If you look at them, this one's a little bit smaller, that one's a little bit bigger. So I like that they did that. It is very, very cool. So this is, I'm loving their stenciling ideas. This is something new to Spellbinders that I can remember. They never used to not do stencils. So this is, and I'm glad, because that's what you should do. You should grow. You should morph. Let's do something different. What is the worst that can happen, even for a company, is they fall flat on their face. Well, oh well, that's okay. But at least they tried. And that's what happened to me, if you don't mind me interjecting, with 14 and 14. I knew it was an ambitious goal for me to do, and I stood a chance. I thought I could do it, and I could have done it, but as always, I have to be a responsible adult, and things got in the way, and there you go. But I tried. Okay, that is my point. I tried, and that's all I could, that's all I could do. So I did the best I could. All right, next, and that's all you're going to hear from me on the subject. Next, we have the Better Press of the month, and it is, this one's a tough one. My mommy just loved hummingbirds. So to see that, I mean, immediately put her in my head. Oh, and it's, but it comes with the hummingbird. And look at the detail. Look at the detail in this. And then we get the die that works with it. And then they send you with the kit, Every month they send you like a little extra, little bonus. And this time it's the press plate and die set, and it coordinates. So we have 2 hummingbirds now. And, you know, and everything. So this Hello Spring and the hummingbird, and you have the die to cut them out. I mean, just wow. I don't mind. I just love how this is done. Like that, you could practically make a card just off of this. I'm like... So, yeah, we're going to have to do something with this. And I'm going to actually, since they work together, I'm going to put them together. I do a lot with this with a lot of things. When they're meant to coordinate, I just plop them one inside of the other. And then I'll enter them into inventory. Next, we have the Glimmer of the Month Club. And this month's color of foil is champagne, darling, champagne. But oh my gosh, look at those daffodils. And something came unhinged here. So we have the sentiment. Everything came unhinged here. So let's open this up. So we have all of the glimmer plates, but we also have the plates that die cut out some of these pieces. So I think it cuts out, let's see what this is. This cuts out that right there. That's what it is. Here are the sentiments. They should be right here. Do we have, and that's why it's because they're taped. When they put the tape down, it didn't make it, or did it? There we go. Now I did it upside down. Let's just really make it. It's bad enough that it's backwards and I have to try to read it. But let's make it backwards and upside down, Myra. Just, you know, for that added twist, right? And let's put this one. Does it go this way? Let me figure out which way it goes. There we go. We're going to slide it back in and get it on its little piece of tape. We will later, you know, retape this down better. But we have these beautiful, gosh, look how beautiful. And I love daffodils. I just love them. Oh my gosh. I just found some paper white bulbs that are already starting to sprout that I need to get in a pot at this point. I bought them early. Yeah, that's not so early anymore. So it's sending Easter blessings. So that's what it says, sending Easter. But look how beautiful, just done. Oh my gosh, look at that, just in the gradiated. That is just ink blending. And it looks spectacular. I think it's done in silver. It doesn't look like gold to me, but that's an idea. We have to steal it from them, but look, but it's beautiful. And that is a really simple card. That's so easy to make, but you can make it striking. And this might be what gets me to use this thing. Holy mackerel. All right, next we have the clear stamp of the month with the coordinating dies. And look how pretty. These are lilies. Look, I mean, I love that. Spring blessings, celebrate new beginnings, and then spring, again, happy Easter. And then we have the sentiments on the sides. You are my thoughts. Thanks for, you know what? Because when you think about lilies, this would make a really beautiful, you know, the cards we hate to make are the sympathy cards, but it would be lovely. I like that. Live life in full bloom. Words to live by. So these are very, very, very pretty. And I'm going to be very, very, very honest with you. I don't know if I'm going to do this one. This may be added to the stack of stuff that's going to get added. Somebody's going to hit pay dirt with Spellbinders with me because I love it. And I sign up for this on purpose, okay? I don't regret it for one cotton picking hot second. And I love this. It is beautiful. I really love the sentiments. I just don't know if I'll make it or not. And I'm already have enough of stuff here hanging out waiting for me to make it without keeping something that I won't. I would rather pass it off to you, or to any one of you. So, I'm just getting my act together slowly but surely. So there will be, you know, I have a birthday coming up in a few months. We have the channel anniversary coming up, and we need to do some, stuff for that. So, right, Myra, just get rid of the stuff here. We'll take it, right? So I'm gonna set this aside for you guys. I'm telling you that right now. Next, we have the stitching die of the club. Look, there's 2 things stuck together. So, but look how cute. Oh my gosh, I saw this. I didn't really get to realize how big that flower is. But, I mean, way, way cool. That is, I mean, it's just awesome. I love that. And here it is. It's live life in full bloom. And that's the stamp. It's like, oh my gosh, they're killing me here. But I love that. This is really, 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 really good. It makes a big, big flower. This is awesome. Okay, next we have the small die of the month. And that is the Rainbow Bouquet. When I saw this done in the preview, I was like, oh my gosh, that is so, look how pretty that is. Except I wouldn't make them blue, I'd make them pink. That's just my thought. Or purple. And look at me, who doesn't do purple. My blue is my favorite color, and I'm not feeling those blue boots. Unless I did them in like a dark blue. Oh my gosh, think of how great that would look in that cobalt blue I just got. You guys saw in the video from Tonic, my Tonic paper. Ooh, because that's what most of the boots are shiny, because they're not rubber or whatever, the plastic that they are. Right now, it's my daughter that clumps around in mine. I don't even wear them. She does. She's been wearing mine, working in the garden, so... But look, I love that. Look how pretty that we have the daffodils and the tulips and these little flower. And oh my goodness, you know what? They remind me of the clovers. Except clovers don't have black center or brown centers, but still. This is, oh yeah, this one we will have to work up. This is going to be so, so cute. Just absolutely adorable. Oh, I'm so sorry. It is late at night, guys, so you'll have to apologize if I yawn. This is the large die of the month floral bunny basket. It's the bunnies. It's our oh my god, and I forgot it was a bunny butt. Look how beautiful this one is. Too awesome for words. Too cute, too cool for school. And look at that. We have the carrots, we have the bunny, we have the basket, we have all of the flowers. And I forgot what these are called. There's it just doesn't want to come to me. I know they're not forget-me-nots, so I need to now say it so I can get it out of my head. But still, this is big. This is definitely at the very least. You could do this as a slim line too, but this is definitely an A7. This is a 5x7 card. You know, screaming. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love it. But look at and I'm still like, look at those. Oh my goodness, I love the detail. I hate the detail. I love the detail. Next, I did get the wax. So I have the wax seal of the month, and look at that pretty sage. That is really pretty. So I have my wax beads. So I think I did get the Deluxe Kaboodle. Is there anything left in there that I didn't get? I think I got everything that the release was. So let me not talk smack. I'm sorry, Spellbinders, don't hurt me. But here it is, Lily of the Valley, the wax seal, and it is a lily, and it's, you know what? And it's not round, it's oval. Ooh, let's pull it out so you guys can see. Okay, hang on. The box wants to fall. There's still stuff in that box. Stay, Fido, stay. Let me grab my tool here, and we're just gonna cut through that. Oh my goodness, really, what I did is I cut through the lid, not the tape. Oh my goodness. Leave it to me to botch things. But look how cool that is. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see that detail? Oh my gosh. I have become obsessed. And I thought I would not be wanting to come over to the dark side. And I am. Ooh, look how pretty that is. This is a keeper no matter what. I don't care if I ever use it. I'll just pull it every once in a while, pet it, love it, and call it George. But oh my gosh, this is pretty. And the wax seal. I mean, the wax. Look how pretty. I mean, I love that sage color. It's just awesome. Yes. Okay, let me put that away before I cut my finger off. And then what we have left are the embossing folders. So we have the first one up is the embossing folder of the month. And let me grab my colored paper again. So although you can see it here, but look how pretty. I mean, it's got, you know what it makes me think of? Spirograph met flowers. Because you got the flowers, but don't they remind you of spirograph? For those of you of an age, and the rest of you are like, what is this woman talking about? Spiro what? Yes, spirograph. You know, look it up, people, look it up. But what I want to do is I want you to see it in full size. So let me pull that out. Look how beautiful. Look at that detail. And this is not the 3D, okay? This is just a regular embossing folder. And look at how pretty that looks. I love it. Absolutely love this one. In fact, I think we should use it with the basket. Wouldn't that make a great background for the basket? I'm closing this up because I'm gonna immediately snip off the top so I can put this away. Where did I put my paper cut? Okay, I guess I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't see my paper trimmer. I'm afraid it's under the stuff I have here, teetering. In fact, let me toss the box. All right, no wait. I'm gonna toss the wax seal, and then that way. Okay, bye. And is my paper? No, I don't know. I really don't know where my paper trimmer went. Where did I put it? Famous. Oh my Lord. We're back to Si es perro, me muerde. There it is. It was right there in front of my face. Could you guys see it? I know you guys could see it from the edge of the camera, huh? You're like, this woman is crazy. Why am I watching her? I don't know. Why are you? Okay. Oh my gosh. But okay, so now I'm going to create. So now I've created my own little sleeve. I've already done this because I know I'm going to use this one for sure. So I just got to finish putting away all of Valentine's and then bring up to the forefront Easter. And so let's see if this is beautiful. What is the next one? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh no, I think this will be the best. See? See? They make it hard. Spellbinders, you're killing me here, people. Honestly. But I love it. It's a death. I'm going to go ahead and snip this off real quick too. Because this is why I saved for this club for its own video. Just so it can do little things like this. Did I get it? Yep. It's like the infinitesimal, the tiniest of slivers. But look at that. And you can see it better, but wait till I do that. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh. This is going to get seen. This is going to get mileage, traction this Easter. Oh my goodness. I love it. It's just gorgeous. It's just so beautiful. I'm like, wow. I'm really, all of it. This entire kit is awesome, is nothing but awesomeness. I just got, as I'm getting my mojo back, I'm going to start trying to get more of these projects and stuff made. It's just, I'm getting there. Valentine's, even with not having completed, it has done me a world of good. It really did. Yesterday I needed to take the time for family because no matter what, you need to take time for family. Today I needed to take time and do some of that work in the garage and get that bookcase. I dragged it out of its box. I put that thing together all by myself. I dragged it into place and I already started loading it up with stuff so that I have a lot out there that I've been purging from here or cleaning. I'm like, okay, I need to have more space to put away stuff so that I can organize better here. So anyway, neither here nor there. It's nothing to do with everything I got, but I'm just letting you know, we all have to do that. We have to organize. So guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me with this month's Spellbinders, Deluxe Kaboodle. I'm pretty sure this is Deluxe Kaboodle. I don't know what else they have that I don't have now, but I love it. I'm so excited with everything I got. So guys, thanks a lot for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this video at all, then please go ahead and drop me a thumbs up. Say hi if you have the time. And if you want to see more of my madness, then by all means, subscribe and ring that bell because I'm like a bad penny, people. I keep turning up. And meanwhile, I'm going to let you go so maybe I can get some crafting done here before I fall asleep. And as always, always remember that go out there and craft. Make something beautiful. And don't ever forget that what you make and what you give brightens someone's day. So go out there and make a difference because that's what we can do with our art. And as always, don't ever forget, we are all a little mad here. So come on, peeps. Craft madness with me, okay? Talk to you guys later. Bye!